Kung gumagamit ka ng laptop pati CDJs sa mga club gigs mo, make sure that you always take along this essential accessory. This is a USB CDJ bundle. Ginawa ko lang to on my own. So, as you can see, meron akong tatlong USB-B cables. Itong sasaksak to sa DJM na mixer. Tapos itong dalawa, sasaksak sa likod ng CDJs. And then yung kabilang dulo nila, papunta dito sa aking USB hub, and then it has a plug that connects to my laptop. I usually take along my DJ controller, di ba? Yung DDJ 1000 SRT ko. Pero may times na maganda yung gamit sa venue. I just go ahead and use this. Why is this important? Again, it's our responsibility to bring our own connectivity to our gigs. The responsibility of the venue is to provide the equipment, diba? So that means that CDJs are there, yung XDJ or whatever else media players are there, kahit turntables nandun. Yung job natin is to make sure na yung gamit nila is compatible with our computer if we're using a laptop. And most of the time, yung laptops natin, hindi naman yan standard, di ba? May ibang gumagamit ng Mac, may ibang gumagamit ng PC, merong iba na USB-C yung saksakan, yung iba naman USB-A yung saksakan. So it really is up to us, the DJs who take along our laptops to gigs. We have to bring the necessary cables, USB hubs, and other accessories to make sure that the equipment at the venue is compatible with the gear that we aim to use at our DJ sets.